college is a new experience for everyone. Like, you don't know what you're getting yourself into.
Like, I was pretty lost when I first got here. So it helped me to be like, okay, this is what I value here. This is what I can look for, and there are people like this.
I think the living learning community, once you join it, it's almost a cheat code to finding your own community. It helps you branch out and find who you'd like to hang out with.
The living learning community is kind of a national model that consists of three parts. One is the curricular element, which is a class. The other is a residential element, which means you live in the building you take the class in. And the third is an extracurricular component, which means that you engage in activities beyond the classroom.
In a living learning community English class, the difference is really, it's more hands-on. We would sit in a circle, so it felt like it was a community rather than I was just sitting at a desk.
The difference between a living learning community and a general English 111 class is really about that last sort of capstone project of taking a specific issue or a topic on campus and creating a proposal around that.
It was just a very welcoming class to have throughout your week. So if you're having a bad day, that's a class that's like, okay, I don't really want to miss this one.
It was a lot more involved. I really enjoyed and I thought it was really fun.
Most of the people that were in my English class were in my dorm, like on the same floor that I was in. So I constantly saw them, and that made it a lot better going to English.
What they do is identify something on Endicott's campus that they feel could be done better. They create a presentation that they bring forward at the LLC showcase, where a panel of judges from Endicott's administration and faculty visit each of the different proposals across all 6 LLCs.
Doing community service at Endicott is honestly really nice.
Students come here and you're not going to be a bystander. We want you to be actively engaged. We want you to be involved, connected, and to make an impact.
It wasn't just like me doing it to like gain hours for like a community service program at like a high school. It was doing it to build community within your own little community inside the LLC. What I've learned in an LLC is that you can find community anywhere.
It's hard to find your group, and I think this has helped people just come together and help build a community aspect in this school.
I think the LLC definitely did help me find a community. Getting acquainted with a lot of people in the dorm, and then those people ended up becoming my friends outside of it.
So I think being in the Better Together community has helped me be okay with being an extrovert, and being a loud, talkative person has just helped me find those type of people who like me and spend time with me.
I just think it felt pretty good to be a part of that and actually know that there's a college out there that values what I value.